Okay. Now we will discuss some of the previous MCET questions. If the system of equations has 4x plus y, 4x plus y plus 2z equal to 5, 4x plus y plus 2z equal to 5, x minus 5y, x minus 5y, x minus 5y plus 3z equal to 10, x minus 5y plus 3z equal to 10. Next, 9x minus 3y, 9x minus 3y, 9x minus 3y plus 7z equal to 20, plus 7z equal to 20. 4x plus y plus 2z equal to 5, x minus 5y plus 3z equal to 10, 9x minus 3y plus 7z equal to 20 has no solution, unique solution, two solutions, infinitely many solutions. Given in 2015, given in 2015 MCET, very simple sums they will give. What is the criteria will follow, whether it is having unique solutions or infinitely many solutions or no solution. We will go for rank of A and rank of K. Depending on rank of A, rank of K, we can say about the number of solutions, we know. So we will go for the rank, means we will go for augmented matrix first. Usually represented with AD or K, I will take K. Now, the elements coefficients are 4, 1, 2, including constant gives you augmented matrix. Now, 1 minus 5, 3, 10. 9 minus 3, 7, 20. 9 minus 3, 7, 20. Now, this is a 3 by 4 matrix. So, if I close this, I will get A. By closing constants, I will get the determinant of A and combined gives me augmented matrix. So, I will go for the augmented matrix. I will apply the row column operations, then I will find this is augmented matrix. Now, I will go for row column operations, then I will find the ranks, then I will find the rank. So, echelon form, convert it to echelon form I told. Echelon form is making elements below the principal diagonal making 0. So, for that, first I will make it as R1 interchanging with R2 because I will get here, then it will be easy for me to do the process. So, R1 interchanging with R2 first process. I will do first step. Means this is 1 minus 5, 3, 10. Next is 4, 1, 2, 5. Next is 9 minus 3, 7, 20. This is how we will do. Now, this part. So, make this is 0, this is 0. Means, I will go for R2 tends to R2 minus 4R1, R3 tends to R3 minus 9R1. So that these two become zeros below the principal diagonal. So, first row as is 1 minus 5, 3, 10. Now, this is 4 minus 4, 0. This is now, this is 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus of 4 5s are 20. So 1 plus 20, 21. Next, 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. 5 minus 40, 35. Minus 35. Now, this is 9 minus 9, 0. This is minus 3, minus of minus, plus 45, means minus plus 42. Minus 3 plus 45, plus 42. Next, 7, 9 3s are 27, minus 7. 27, this is 7 minus 27, minus 20. Next, this is 20 minus 90, 20 minus 90, 70. 20 minus 90 minus 70. Now if you observe, these two are same. So R3 tends to R3 minus 2R2 for you. So R becomes 0. So this is equal to 1 minus 5 3 10. 0 21 minus 10 minus 35, and this is 0 0 0 0. So it is nothing but, if you have this is 2 times of this, so this whole row becoming 0 means rank of A is 2, A is also 2, means number of not equal to number of unknowns. So what I got is finally rank of A equal to rank of K not equal to number of unknowns, equal to 2 I got. So not equal to 3, number of unknowns means having infinitely many solutions. So your answer is infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. This is what we discussed on yesterday concept. Rank of A equal to rank of K, but not equal to number of unknowns. Infinitely many solutions. If all the three are equal, unique solution. If rank of A not equal to rank of K itself, then no solution. No solution, unique solution, infinitely many solutions. Now the condition we got is infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Rank of A not equal to rank of K, not equal to number of rank of A equal to rank of K, but not equal to number of unknowns. Means infinitely many solutions. Simple. Next one is same 2015 Telangana state में one more sum is there. A of x equal to 1 2 3 x plus 1 2x plus 1 3x plus 1. Next x square plus 1 2x square plus 1 3x square plus 1. This is what is given. So you can do using row operation or column operation. Now if this is given, A of x equal to this, then it is asking integral of 0 to 1 A of x dx. 0 to 1 A of x dx. Integral of 0 to 1 A of x dx. Very simple. First you can find integral of this, then we will go for that. So for that we will go for either row operation or column operation. If you want row operation, this into x minus this, so that x gets cancelled here. Like say this into x square minus this, you will get one way. Otherwise column operation. You can go for either row operation or column operation. Column operation, if you want to do this into 2 minus this, so that 2 minus 2 0 here, 2x gets cancelled, left out here something will be there like that. And again this into 3 minus this gives you same. So I am going for column operations. C2 tends to C2 minus 2C1, C3 tends to C3 minus 3C1. So becomes first column as it is 1x plus 1 x square plus 1, but from here 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 2. This is if I multiply with 2, 2x plus 2. So 2x cancel, minus I am doing 1 minus 2 minus 1. Same. This is also 2x square cancel, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Again multiplying this with 3, then subtracting. So this is 3 minus 3, 0. Next 3x, this is plus 1 minus 3 means minus 2. Again this is plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. To take care about the calculation part, I think 1 x plus 1 x square plus 1, 2 2x plus 1 2x square plus 1, 3 3x plus 1 3x square plus 1. Now this is C2 tells to C2 minus 2C1. 2 minus 2, 0. 2x plus 1 minus 2, minus 1. 2x square cancel. Plus 1 minus 2, minus 1. And this is again 3x square minus 3x square got cancelled. 1 minus 2 is minus 2. So simply we are getting two rows are the two columns are in the same ratio, means z equal to 0. So its value is 0. So integral of 0 to 1 a of x dx is 0, because we are getting that value is 0. We are getting that value is 0. So integral of that value is anyhow automatically becomes 0. So like the simple sums only he is giving. Next, 2016, coming to 2016, one more question on determinants. On this determinants only one more question 2016 also. This is 2015. Coming to 2016 question. If A, B, C are distinct positive real numbers, then the value of A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. This debt better by heart I told this value is 3abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube if you remember. Otherwise we will do. If abc are positive real numbers, then the value of the determinant is asking. Options are less than 0, more than 0. He is not asking actual value. He is asking whether it is less than 0, more than 0, equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0. 4 conditions he is asking. So how to do this? First of all, he is doing first and foremost thing abc are positive. And secondly, we know how to find the rate of this. Directly find the rate. A into this into this minus this into this. So what do we get? A into a square minus a into bc minus a square. Means abc minus a square. Like that if you simplify, a into bc means 3abc minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube. By simplifying this rate, you will get this value. How to simplify you. Now, he is asking whether it is less than 0 or more than 0, greater than 0, is giving that ABC are positive. For that, I am taking minus common. Then this becomes a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Minus 3abc. Now, we know about this value. This value we can write as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now we know that this is always greater than 0, because you can write as a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square by 2. A minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square by 2. I taught you how to write in our first year itself. So this whole is greater than 0. And ABC are positive side, means a plus b plus c also positive. So positive into positive, positive will get, into minus is there, gives you negative. Means less than 0 is your answer. Means less than 0 is your answer. So I am just simplifying that. Then I got a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now, if I factorize this, I will get a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now, this part, I know that this part is always greater than 0, because you can write as a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Positive numbers. Square means positive numbers. By 2. Now, this is a plus b plus c. These are also 3 positive values is giving. So, positive into positive, positive into negative gives you negative. So, total value is less than 0. Total value of the determinant is less than 0. Like this, you can solve this. So, this is given in 2016. One more sum in 2016 based on the previous method, that is unique solution, infinitely many solutions. So he is giving it as 3 equations are one more sum, same 2016 only. consider the system of equations ax plus by plus cz. ax plus by plus cz equal to 2. bx plus cy plus az equal to 2. bx plus cy plus az equal to 2. Next, cx plus ay, cx plus ay plus bz equal to 2. If the system of equations, consider the system of equations where a, b, c are real numbers such that a plus b plus c equal to 0. Such that a plus b plus c equal to 0. Is giving a plus b plus c is 0, and these are the three system of linear equations. Then the equations have two solutions: consistent, unique solution, infinitely many solutions, inconsistent is asking. Whether having two solutions, inconsistent no solution, consistent having unique solution, consistent having infinitely many solutions. 4 options is giving. So which is correct option is asking. So how to do? Same procedure will follow as the previous one. What is that? We'll go for the augmented matrix. K or AD, your own way of representing. But taking constants also, quotients and constants. A, B, C, 2. B, C, A, 2. C, A, B, 2. Now, what do I do is, we have to make all the elements below the principal diagonal is 0. So that you can follow. Or what he is saying is a plus b plus c equal to 0. A plus b plus c equal to 0. Now if I observe, if I am adding these three, I will get a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. So I can find the rank of a, rank of k very easily. So how? So what I want to say is R3 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3 I will do. So that I will get zeros very easily in the third order. A, B, C, 2. And this is B, C, A, 2. Now this is, I am adding R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is A plus B plus C. Here also A plus B plus C. Here also A plus B plus C. Just I am adding all the 3 rows. So what do I get? 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6. This is what I got if I do a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, 6. If I do r1 plus r2 plus r3, this is the final result I got. Now we say a plus b plus c is 0, so I will get here 0, here 0, here 0. So the final result will become a, b, c, 2, b, c, a, 2. Now this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 6. Now if you observe this, if I close this is rank of A. So rank of A is 2 because number of non-zero rows in the A is 2, but number of non-zero rows in K is, here 6 extra is there. So number of non-zero rows in K is 3. Therefore, rank of A not equal to rank of K. Rank of A not equal to rank of K. Rank of A is 2, but rank of A is 3. Both are not equal. If these two are not equal, then what I told? No solution means inconsistent, no solution. So system is inconsistent, having no solution. Simple. Your option is inconsistent, no solution, second option. So like that, you can solve these type of sums very easily. And one more sum in 2016, one more is there. We will do that. We will stop for today. Tomorrow we will continue. Suppose A and B are two square matrices of the same order. Suppose A and B are two square matrices of the same order. AB are skew symmetric. He is giving A comma B are skew symmetric. A comma B are skew symmetric, he says. Skew symmetric. Then he is asking about AB minus BA. is symmetric, skew symmetric, scalar matrix, triangular matrix. AB minus is asking about AB minus BA. Very simple sir. Is giving these two are skew symmetric. What about this is asking? First of all, what is meant by A is skew symmetric, B is skew symmetric? A is skew symmetric means A transpose always equal to minus A and B transpose equal to minus B. These are the two given conditions. Skew symmetric means A transpose equal to minus A. B is also skew symmetric means B transpose equal to minus B. Now he is asking about this. So I will go for transpose of this. If I am getting this itself, then it is symmetric. Minus of this itself, then skew symmetric. Like that we can say. So I am taking AB minus BA transpose. I am finding AB minus BA transpose. Now we know that A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. Separately you can apply. So I will apply that. AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. But AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose. So B transpose into A transpose minus this is BA transpose is A transpose into B transpose. So I am trying the property. Property of AB whole transpose is B transpose A transpose. PA whole transpose is automatically A transpose B transpose. Now B transpose is nothing but what? Minus B. So minus B into A transpose is minus A. So minus B into minus A, I will get plus BA. Minus B into minus A plus BA. Next A transpose minus A, B transpose minus B. So this is minus to minus again plus AB. So minus AB. Minus AB. Now if I take minus common, this becomes AB minus BA only. I got BA minus AB. If I take minus common, AB minus BA. So I got AB minus BA whole transpose is minus of AB minus BA. Means same this. So skew symmetric. Therefore, AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Your option is skew symmetric. Whatever the option, skew symmetric will be there. Check it. So skew symmetric. So he is giving second option is the skew symmetric. So your answer is skew symmetric, second option. So like this, we can solve MSET sums in matrices very easily. Very easily. Giving if A equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, where theta equal to 2 pi by 19, where theta equal to 2 pi by 19, then he is asking A power 2017, A power 2017, then find the value of A power 2017 is asking. So we will go for A square first. We will go for A square. A square equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. What do you get to find A square? So A square equal to cos into cos square theta plus sin into minus sin theta gives you minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. Next cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta becomes 2 cos theta sin theta. I am writing directly. Next this minus sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin theta means minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Next here coming to here you will get cos square theta. This is minus sin square theta plus cos square theta. I am writing cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now this is nothing but cos 2 theta sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. So what I am getting is cos 2 theta sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. So observe, if I am taking A square I am getting 2 theta. If I am getting A cube, then this into this I will get. Becomes cos A cos B minus sin A sin B cos of A plus B means you will get cos 3 theta sin 3 theta like that. Means A power 2017 equal to, so this implies A square is I got cos 2 theta sin 2 theta minus so and so. If A cube I am getting cos 3 theta sin 3 theta sin minus sin 3 theta cos 3 theta. Automatically A power 2017 gives me how much? Cos of 2017 theta sin of 2017 theta sin minus sin of 2017 theta cos of 2017 theta. Now simplify this. This is what we got till now. So cos of 2017 theta sin of 2017 theta minus sin of 2017 cos of, we got 2017 in power means we got 2017 theta by simplifying. Like here sin of 2017 theta, similarly minus 2017 theta, this is plus 2000 sin of 2000 cos of 2017 theta. Now this theta is 2 pi by 19. So you can apply 2 pi by 19 wherever theta is there, then simplify 2 pi by 19. So this is cos of 217 into 2 pi by 19. Now this is 2017 theta. Theta is nothing but 2 pi by 19. So 2017 into 2 pi, how much? 4034 pi by 19. Like this is sin of 4034 pi by 19. So if you simplify, sin of 4034 pi by 19. This is cos of 4034 pi by 19. And if you simplify this, if you multiply, divide with 19, 4034. If you divide this, you got 212 plus 6. So you can write as 212 plus 212 pi means it has completed 1 or 6 rounds plus 6 pi by 19. So now I can write as this is 212 pi plus 6 pi by 19. Cos of 212 pi means 1 or 6 circles completed. Left out is again 6 pi by 19. Here sin of 6 pi by 19. Here minus sin of 6 pi by 19. Cos of 6 pi by 19. Now 6 pi by 19 is 3 into 2 pi by 19 is nothing but 3 theta. So we got cos 3 theta sin 3 theta minus sin 3 theta again cos 3 theta is nothing but a cube only. So from the previous result there is nothing but a cube only. So your answer should be a cube. He is giving options as a cube, a power 5, I. So your final result is a cube. Okay, means option B. Option B. This is given in 2017. Enough for today.